Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by picking the resource node you want to farm. You are not scouting. Place the auto extractor directly over the deposit. You must have unlocked and crafted the extractor, so once it is in hand, set it down on level terrain and rotate to align. Then route power. Plug the extractor into an RTG, medium battery, solar, or generator so it receives steady current. Make sure the extractor faces open space for output routing, and check that it is attached to the ground node. Once the extractor is powered, connect output logistics. You can attach a small canister, a medium storage bay, or route resources via a conveyor network to your base. When you attach a storage unit, the extractor will automatically fill it, so plan capacity. Once full, it will stop extracting. For large farms, group extractors, then run cables to a hub with a power switch. This lets you toggle groups and prevents overflow. Also, balance power draw so extractors do not brown out at night or during storms. Finish by optimizing placement and output flow. Stagger extractors to reduce interference and keep storage cycling so they never sit full. You should check yields periodically. If a node's output diminishes, move the extractor to a fresh seam. If extraction stops, make sure the device has continuous power, that it is properly docked to the resource node, and that you actually crafted the correct extractor type. Sometimes you need a different tier. One quick fix: disconnect and reconnect power, then inspect the mount points.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.